Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. In this video, we'll control a 28BYJ-48 stepper motor using an Arduino Uno and the ULN2003 driver. Let's get started. To build this project, we need the following components: Arduino Uno, 28BYJ-48 stepper motor, ULN2003 stepper motor module jumper wires. Now let's connect the components. The ULN2003 driver has 4 input pins that we connect to the Arduino. The connections are as follows: ULN2003 driver, Arduino IN1 Pin 8, IN2 Pin 3, Pin 10, IN4 Pin 11. Power connections: VCC 5 volts and GND from Arduino to ULN2003 driver. Once the wiring is done, let's move on to the code. Now let's understand the code. We start by including the Stepper.h library to control the motor. We define 20-48 steps per revolution since the 28BYJ-48 motor has a gear ratio. The ULN2003 driver is connected to pins 8, 9, 10, and 11 of the Arduino. In the setup, we set the motor speed to 10 RPM using set speed 10. In the loop, the motor rotates clockwise by calling step 20-48, waits for 1 second, then rotates counterclockwise using step -20-48. This cycle repeats continuously, making the motor move back and forth. You can modify the speed and step count to control rotation speed and angle. Now let's upload the code to the Arduino and see the stepper motor in action. That's how you can control a 28BYJ-48 stepper motor using Arduino. You can use this setup for robotic arms, CNC machines, or any automation projects. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more amazing electronics projects. See you in the next video.